How to make Primal Cottage Pie. Roughly chop vegetables of choice and pop them in a food processor. I like to use pumpkin, carrot, onion, zucchini, things like that, and sometimes sweet potato as well. Pulse it until all the vegetables are finely chopped like this into small little pieces. Meanwhile, in a large fry pan with a lid, cook some mince of choice. I like to use beef or pork, especially for this recipe. Once that's started browning, add the vegetables in and pop the lid on and let it cook down for about 10 minutes. While that's cooking away, boil some cauliflower pieces, all cut to about the same size, until you can put a knife through the thickest part and it's nice and soft but not mushy. Once it's cooked, strain the cauliflower and return it to the saucepan. Then grab whatever herbs you'd like to add in and throw them in with some mineral salt. I usually use oregano for this recipe because it's really nice with cauliflower. Grab a stick blender and whiz it up until it looks like potato mash. If you don't have a stick blender, you could of course pop it all into the food processor and mash it up that way. While that's cooling down a little bit, return to your fry pan with your mince and veggies. Add something to flavour it with. I like to use coconut amino, fresh herbs, and organic pure tomato paste. Don't forget the mineral salt, and you could also add garlic as well. Another great way to boost flavour and the nutritional value is to add some bone broth in. Usually a couple of tablespoons will do the trick. Give it all a good stir, return the lid and make sure the temperature is down to about low to medium and let it just finish cooking through. It'll only need another couple of minutes. Then it should look like this and you're ready to start serving or putting it in containers for meals for the rest of the week. To store it for meals for later in the week, simply press it down really firmly into your containers and then add some mash on top. This is how it looks side on. It is so delicious. It's really nice cold, or you could heat it up to serve it for lunch or dinner. It freezes really well, so if you're not going to eat it all that week, pop some in the freezer. This is a great option to do as a big batch cooking, so you've always got a healthy meal ready to go whenever you don't feel like cooking. You can find the full written recipe on my website.